Hey, it's Boys of the Most Toys coming at you again, and today is our weekend video, but we usually do a review of one of my crazy creations, but today I thought, because it was pulled on my YouTube community section, what do you guys want to see? You guys want to see more tutorials, and you want to see more tutorials of microbots or minicons or mini spies, whatever you want to call them. Basically, really small Transformers. So here's a quick tutorial how to build this little car that transforms into a little bot. So without further ado, and you can use whatever colors you want. I did a yellow one and a red one, kind of like Cliff Jumper and Bumblebee, but you can do whatever colors you want. Make an orange wheelie, make a black one, all black, who cares, it doesn't matter. But let me just show you the basics here, and you guys can build upon this. And in the future, maybe we'll do some trucks, some planes, or whatever as minicons. Just very similar, probably, but a little different looking. So first of all, we're just going to build the trunk of the car. So we're going to take two of these 1x1 blocks with a stud on it. And we're going to take this inverted bracket, and we're just going to put them on like this. That's it. Okay, then we're going to take two of these clip pieces and put one and then two like this. It's the basis of the whole entire thing right here. Okay, from here we are going to build the front end of the car. So we are going to take this curved piece and put it on like this. Take a 1x2 regular plate and put it underneath the nose of the curved piece, and then you want to make a head or a face, and you do that by getting one of these pieces, the 1x1 round with a hole in it in a different color probably than the body of the car, to make it a face, so that you got that. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to do this part twice. We're going to take a 1x4 plate, we're going to take a 2x1 tile, and we're just going to put it on like this, and we are going to take a 1x1 dot black on both of the open studs and make sort of like the side of the car or wheels, and we're going to do that twice. Okay, there we go. So that'll be the arms slash wheels. We're just going to come over to here right now, and we are going to put them on the second stud. Yeah, the second stud. There you go. So we're already looking like a car. So how are we going to finish off? Well, we're going to take this 1x2 black slope, make a windshield. And we basically have the front of the car. So we're just going to build the back of the car, which will unfold into the legs. So what do we need to do next? We're going to take this handle piece in black or whatever color you would like, and you're going to snap it on so the studs are facing backwards and it lines up nicely like this. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to take two more of these clippy pieces, put them on like so. And like so. Okay. From there, you're going to proceed to make the back of the car and or what will become the feet. So you're going to take the other handle piece, and you're going to take two cheese slopes and kind of make the back of the car and or 2 feet. So like this, right? Then just for stability in robot mode, you are going to take a 1x2 plate and another 1x2 plate just to make sturdy feet. Then you're going to go and take it cheese slope side down, clip it in, and fold it down. And there you have a mini bot, a mini spy, a minicon, whatever you want to call it, car. But of course he transforms. So how does he transform? Very simply. You're going to turn him over like this. You're going to then rock this section out like this. And then you're going to rock this whole section down like this. And then you're going to fold to what becomes feet. And then you're going to fold out to what becomes arms. And then you have a mini bot. And you can customize however you like. And I'll just do this guy really quickly. The bumblebee looking kind of one. And then you're just going to flip that out. Create legs. Create arms. You can wave at you. Whatever. So there you go. Here's Minicons on the cheap. Do I have a minifigure standing around? Yes, I do. A custom minifigure that I'm working on for another project. And there's custom Cobra Soldier, just a little taller than a minifigure, in their robot mode. And then just to compare them in robot and car mode side by side, again, we'll just quickly fold this guy up. And there they are. And we'll bring that guy back in just to show you how small these guys are. Okay. So, all in all, there are your Minicon ideas. Hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial, and I've enjoyed building these little guys compared to my usual crazy, large, and ball-jointed creations. This is, a really quick transformer on the cheap, and I'm hoping to do some more little guys like this for you down the road.